Did you know that original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, are using ultrasonic components in some of their manufactured equipment? Hi, I'm Frank Pettiflew, and we at Omegasonics are continually seeing more and more OEMs take advantage of the power and effectiveness offered through ultrasonic cleaning. For example, with ultrasonics, OEM-built machines are now cleaning printed circuit board stencils, used within multi-stage cleaning equipment and oven conveyor systems, and serving as solvent degreasers for a variety of unique and niche markets. Ultrasonic components used by OEMs consist of direct bonded tanks, transducers, and ultrasonic generators. For larger tanks, those above 50 gallons, immersible transducers are either bolted or hung on the bottom and/or sides of the tank. The generators can be located remotely from the tank. Normally, for larger tanks, the minimum watt density is 25 watts per gallon, but it can be higher depending on the cleaning requirements. For tanks smaller than 50 gallons, ultrasonic transducers can be directly adhered to the tank bottom or sides, and the generators can be mounted within the OEM client's housing. The frequency of the system will be dependent on the application. For instance, if the application calls for more delicate or precision cleaning, as with production electronics, a higher frequency might be employed. The best thing you can do if you have questions regarding the proper wattage, frequency, or transducer mounting configuration is to call and speak with an ultrasonic consultant like those at Omegasonics. For more information on how OEMs are using ultrasonics, give us a call or visit our website at omegasonics.com. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Twitter.